Shona Ferguson beating Connie Ferguson after knocking her parents. Police are urgently seeking to arrest Shona Ferguson because he beat his wife's parents unconscious after revealing them, and then attacked her. Shona Ferguson is seen punching and kicking Connie Ferguson as she lay in bed with only a flimsy cover for protection. In the appalling footage, she is already covered in blood from an earlier attack and screaming as he starts to land new blows, at one point jumping on the bed to kick her. Connie Ferguson, she pleads with him, "Please don't. Please stop beating me." The enraged Shona asks her repeatedly, "What did I do wrong?" That she older than him. He told her, "I've wanted to do this for a long time, I'm cheating you. You're old." Connie Ferguson is seen comatose on the floor, and also covered in blood. The condition of Shona and Connie at present is not known. As Shona accused her of promiscuity, calling her a cat, a bitch and scum, Connie Ferguson asked him, "I never think about it, you're bad, I don't do anything, but now I was beaten by you?" Between blows, Shona says in desperation, "We'll talk later." And then he strikes her again, shouting, "What shall I talk to you about, scum? Why did you keep silence before? And now you want to talk?" Connie said, "We have nothing to talk about now. You should have thought about it before." He asks her, "Who are you now?" Police spokesman said urgent efforts are underway to establish the identity of Shona and his wife, Connie Ferguson. Police said, during routine monitoring of social networks, police discovered a video where Shona beats Connie. We'll investigate and get more news in the future. Please pay attention to watch my channel. Subscribe for more hot news.